In this video, I will show you how to simply fix message not delivered or mail sent bounce back in your Gmail app. Whether you are using iPhone or you are using Android phone, this article is going to help you to fix mail bounce back or message not delivered in your Gmail app. Let me show you how. Open up your Gmail app. After you open up your Gmail app, go ahead and click on this three slider. Then scroll down right here. Go ahead and click on Help and Feedback. Then all you have to do is to make sure you read this particular article right here. So go ahead and open up. Fix bounce or rejected mail. You can scroll down right here and troubleshoot the common error with this simple article provided by Google. This is a step 1 and step 2 right here. And some of the examples that might make your mail not to deliver to the recipient are these. Check for common errors like dot here. Check for common error like this in a particular mail address that you are sending it to. This is another common error right here. Another one right here, which is gap right here. So if you are facing, if the recipient mail fall in any of this category right here, the mail likely not going to be delivered or bounce back when you send the mail, such as spelling errors, quotation mark in the mail is not allowed, dot at the end of the address is not allowed, then space before or after the address is not allowed. So these are the examples here that might cause mail not deliver or mail being bounced back in your Gmail account. Review and troubleshoot and resend back your mail. And it's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.